Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with a clean environment and steady posture. Wash hands well and remove contacts unless instructed otherwise. Sit or lie back and tilt your head about 30 to 45 degrees so you can look at the ceiling. Hold the dropper like a pencil in your dominant hand and use the other hand to gently pull down the lower eyelid to form a small pocket. This is where the drop will go. Make sure the bottle tip doesn't touch your eye to avoid contamination and infection. Once positioned, stabilize your hand against your forehead so you don't blink or jolt. Squeeze a single drop into the pouch of the lower lid. If you miss, try again after a moment but avoid multiple rapid attempts. After the drop lands, close your eyes gently, don't squeeze, and keep them closed for about 1 to 2 minutes to let the medication absorb. If the instructions say, press the inner corner of your eye gently to reduce drainage into the nose and limit systemic side effects. To finish, dab away any excess with a clean tissue and recap the bottle carefully without touching the tip. If you're using more than one type of eye medication, wait about 5 minutes between drops so the first one can absorb. If you experience persistent stinging, severe pain, redness, or vision changes, stop using the drops and contact your provider promptly. Finally, store the bottle per instructions, refrigerate if required, and check expiration dates before each use to ensure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.